Canadian real estate versus a house in America that is currently in the news, where someone cut some trees in the front to have a better view of the skyline. So let's get into this. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Our comparable house is in Toronto, Canada, on Shepherd Avenue, which is in the middle of the city. It looks like a house. The lawn needs some care in the front. There's a sign in the front that looks like they just took out the neon lights and they left the stand there. In the front doorway, they have a door with a little balcony that looks at the street. Looks very close. Next, we have a kitchen. The kitchen looks like kitchen in a dorm room. Nothing exciting there. The garage just looks like a garage. It's standing. Pavement. Yep. Okay, next we have a bedroom. Yep. There's blinds in the bedroom, which means there could be some bricks on the other side. Who knows? Anyway, the front of the house looks very nice again to have a look. Now, this house can be yours for the low price of $2.7 million Canadian, or little over $2 million US. So let's now have a comparable house in America that is currently in the news. Now, the owner of the house has cut down some trees in the front to have a better look at the skyline, which you don't need to do anymore, which is, it is what it is. That's why it's in the news. The front of the house looks very nice. A very nice long driveway. The sunsets look good. I guess some of those trees are gone now. It's going to look even better. The driveway, it's very long. It's very long, and that looks really nice. Now we have a pool section with a waterfall. Wow, that looks really nice. That looked really nice. Look at the privacy with those trees there. The kitchen looks really, really good. Look at those appliances. Everything looks top-notch. Look at the view going out from the kitchen to the backyard. Wow, you can open that all up and just walk out and go have a dip in the pool. That looks sort of nice. The next one we have now here is the bathroom. Wow, that looks good. I'm not even sure if those are fake pictures in those windows. They almost look like they might not be. That looks really nice to me. Living room, wow. Looking at those windows, I don't think they are fake. I think those are actually real. That looks really, really nice. Now we have a garage on the side here, which you can grow your own food. Isn't that amazing? Wow, I didn't even know you can do that. So which would you prefer? The house in Canada for a little over $2 million with 4 baths, 3 beds, about 1,300 square feet, or the house in New Jersey for $1.8 million, a little under $1.8 million, 6 beds, 6 bath, 5,000 square feet with that pool in the forest with that view. Wow. I'll try not to be too biased on here. Which one would you prefer? The house in Toronto or the house in America that is actually cheaper by $300,000? What could you do with that money? Watching the Great Canadian Housing Hype.